Automatic gates provide both security and style. This modern design mixes wood grain textures and stone pillars for sophisticated curb appeal. Wrought iron gates offer timeless elegance. Notice how the floral motifs complement the manicured hedges, creating a grand and classic entrance. Garden gates define boundaries while inviting nature. The contrast of black metal against green fences and terracotta pots creates visual harmony. Gates connect private spaces to the community. This scrollwork design adds artistic flair while maintaining visibility to the sunny suburban street. Laser cutting technology allows for intricate designs. This aluminum gate features nature-inspired patterns, blending durability with modern artistic expression seamlessly. Sliding gates optimize driveway space efficiently. The mix of dark and silver slats offers privacy, while the keypad ensures controlled access. Gold accents elevate wrought iron designs. These classical Greek key patterns and medallions symbolize eternity, adding historical depth to home security. Geometric patterns create visual focal points. This minimalist black gate uses a central design to break the monotony and add character. Colorful gates add personality to exteriors. This vibrant purple finish on laser-cut metal protects against rust while making a bold statement. Mixed materials create modern aesthetics. Frosted glass inserts allow light transmission without sacrificing privacy, perfectly complementing the dark wood slats. Matching pedestrian and drive gates unify the facade. Horizontal slats offer privacy, while vertical bars add structural strength and design variety. Material contrast enhances architectural beauty. The red brick warmth offsets the cool gray stone and black metal, creating specific visual balance. Traditional carvings tell cultural stories. This Peranakan-style wooden gate showcases craftsmanship, turning a simple entrance into a piece of heritage art. Rustic stone pillars provide a sturdy foundation. When paired with ornate ironwork, they create a grand entrance that feels permanently established.